Welcome learners. In this video, we will continue exercise 7.1 of Lines and Angles from Holy Faith International Publications, Absolute Mathematics for class 7. In the previous video, we have completed question number 5 to question number 8. So let's start with question number 9 in this video. In the given figure, state ABC is a straight line or not. In order to prove ABC is a straight line, we need to prove that the sum of these three angles, X, Y, and Z, is equals to 180. So we need to prove the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. In the first part of this question, the value of X and Y is given as 80 degrees and value of Z is given as 30 degrees. So taking the left hand side of what we need to prove, that is X plus Y plus Z, and substituting the values as 80 for X, 80 for Y, and 30 degrees for Z. On adding these three angles, you will get the sum as 190 degrees. Since X plus Y plus Z is equals to 190 degrees, that is not equals to 180 degrees. That means we have not, this proof is not correct. So ABC is not a straight line. Second part is X is equals to Y is equals to Z is equals to 2 by 3 of right angle. That means the value of X, Y, and Z are equal, which is equals to 2 by 3 of right angle. 2 by 3 of right angle, substituting right angle as 90 degrees and simplifying it, you'll get the value of 2 by 3 of 90 as 60 degrees. So value of X is 60 degree, Y is 60 degree, and Z is 60 degree. Again, in the proof, taking the left hand side, LHS as X plus Y plus Z, substituting the values of X as 60, Y as 60, and Z as 60. On adding these, you'll get the value, the sum as 180 degrees. Now, since X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees, hence ABC is a straight line. The third part is X is 2 by 3 of right angle, Y is 1 right angle, Z is half of right angle. Solving these to get the values of X, Y, and Z. X is given as 2 by 3 of right angle. Substituting 90 degree for right angle, and on simplifying it, you'll get X as 60 degrees. Y is given as 1 right angle, that means 1 into 90 degrees. Y will be equals to 90 degrees. Z is given as half of right angle, that is half of 90 degrees. Half of 90 will give you 45 degrees. Now substituting the values of X, Y, and Z in the left hand side of the proof, you'll get 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 45 degrees. The sum will be equal to 195. Since the sum of three angles X, Y, and Z is not equal to 180 degrees, hence ABC is not a straight line. Fourth part, X is equal to 1.5 of right angle, Z and Y is equal to 30 degrees. Kindly correct this. This is a misprint in your book. Instead of X, it is given as Z in your book. So correct it as X. Solving for X, X is equal to 1.5 of right angle. 1.5 is a mixed fraction. On getting a proper fraction, you'll get it as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 of right angle, that is 3 by 2 of 90 degree, will be equals to 135. And Y and Z is given as 30 degrees. Substituting the values of X, Y, and Z in the proof, X plus Y plus Z, that is equals to 135 plus 30 plus 30, it is equals to 195. Again, X plus Y plus Z is not equals to 180 degrees. Hence, ABC is not a straight line. Coming up to question number 10, in the given figure, we have been given some parts for this question. As you can see in this figure, I have named this vertex as O, and angle A and B are the two angles at O. As we know, at any point or at any vertex, the total angle or the sum of all angles is equals to 360 degrees. Hence, in this question, we will be taking A plus B is equals to 360 degrees. So, in this question, if A is given as 110, we need to find B. This is the first part. So, as I narrated earlier, at any point, the sum of all angles is 360. Here, A and B are the two angles at point O. Therefore, A plus B is equals to 360. Substituting the value of A as 110 as it is given, you'll get 110 plus B is equals to 360. Transferring 110 to the other side will change its sign. So you'll get B is equals to 360 minus 110 degrees. Hence, you'll get B as 250 degrees. Coming up to second part, if B is equals to 200 degrees, find A. Again, since the sum of all the angles at any point is 360, you'll get A plus B is equals to 360 degrees. Substituting the value of B as 200 degrees, transferring 200 to the other side will change its sign. Here it is in plus, here it will become minus. A will be equals to 360 degree minus 200 degree, that is equals to 160 degrees. The third part is, if A is equals to 5 by 3 of right angle, find B. So let us find the value of A first. 5 by 3 of right angle means 5 by 3 of 90 degrees. Simplifying it, you'll get A as 150 degrees. Again, now since the sum of all angles at any point is 360 degrees, that is A plus B is equals to 360 degrees. Substituting the value of A in the above equation as 150 degrees and then transferring it to the other side will make it minus 150 degrees. On subtracting 150 from 360 degrees, you'll get B as 210 degrees. This ends up with your question number 10. Question number 11 is, write the complement of the following angles. So just remember or just remind that the complement angles or complementary angles are the two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Here, if one angle is given as 30 degrees, then the other angle will be 90 degree minus the given angle. So the complement of 30 degree will be equals to 90 minus 30 degree. 90 minus 30 will give you 60 degrees. Complement of 80 degrees, 9 minus 80 degree, that is equals to 10 degrees. Part 3 is 45 degree. The complement of 45 degree is equals to 90 minus 45 degree. 90 minus 45 will give you 45 degrees. 35 degree. The complement of 35 degree will be 90 minus 35 degree. That is equals to 55. 10 degree plus y degree. The complement of 10 plus y degree is equals to 90 minus 10 plus y. As we will open up the bracket with minus sign, it will invert the sign of each term in the bracket. So minus plus will become minus 10, minus plus y will become minus y again. Subtracting 10 from 90 will give you 80 degrees and the variable y will remain as it is. So the complement of 10 degree plus y is equal to 80 degree minus y. 15 degree minus x degree. The complement of 15 degree minus x degree is 90 minus 15 minus x degree. Opening up the bracket with minus sign, plus minus 15 will become minus 15. Minus minus will become plus x degree as it is. So 90 minus 15 will give you 75, and plus x degree, the variable, will remain as it is. Question number 12 is, write the complement of the following angles. Again, I am reminding you, the complementary angles are the sum of two angles is 90 degree. If you need to find the complement of one angle, then you need to subtract it from 90 degree. So 1 by 3 of 90 degree. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 90 will be equals to 30 degree. Hence the complement of 30 degree is equals to 90 minus 30 degree. That is equals to 60 degree. 1 by 4 of 80 degree. 1 by 4 multiplied by 80 degree. On simplification, you will get it as 20 degree. The complement of 20 degree is 90 minus 20 degree. That is equals to 70 degree. 1 by 2 of 60 degree. 1 by 2 into 60, or half of 60, is equals to 30. The complement of 30 degree is 90 minus 30 degree. That is equals to 60 degree. 2 by 5 of 70. 2 by 5 multiplied by 70. On cancelling 70 with 5, you will get it as 14. 2 into 14 is 28 degree. Hence, the complement of 28 degree, kindly correct it, this is not 14 degree, it is 28 degree. The complement of 28 degree is 90 minus 28 degree, that is 62 degree. Question number 13. As we have done question number 11 and 12 to find complement of given angles, question number 13 and 14 are to find the supplement of the given angles. Now, just remember, the supplementary angles are the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So if one angle is given and you need to find the other angle, in that case, you need to subtract that angle from 180 degree. So part 1 is find the supplement angle of 70 degree. The supplement angle of 70 degree is 180 minus 70 degree. That is 110 degree. The supplement of 80 degree, part 2, is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is equals to 100 degree. Part 3 is 40 degree. The supplement of 40 degree is 180 minus 40 degree, that is equals to 140 degree. 121 degree. The supplement of 121 degree is 180 degree minus 121 degree, that is equals to 59 degree. 20 plus y degree. The supplement of 20 plus y degree is equals to 180 minus 20 plus y degree. Opening up the bracket with minus sign will invert the sign of the term in the bracket. So I will get minus 20 degree minus plus will become minus y degree. 180 minus 20 will give you 160 degree minus the variable y degree as it is. 20 plus x degree. The supplement of 25 plus x degree is 180 minus 25 plus x degree. Opening the bracket with minus sign will give you minus 25 minus plus minus x degree. So you'll get 180 minus 25 as 155 degree minus the variable x degree as it is. Question number 14. Write the supplement of the following angles. 3 by 4 of 180 degree. Let us first find the angle. 3 by 4 of means multiplication, 160 degree as it is. Simplifying 3 by 4 of 160, you will get 120 degree. Hence, the supplement of 120 degree is 180 degree minus 120 degree. That is equals to 60 degree. Take the second part as homework find the supplement of 1 by 2 of 120 degree. The third is 1 by 3 of 150 degree. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 150 degree will give you 50 degree on simplification. Hence, the supplement of 50 degree is equals to 180 minus 50 degree, that is 130 degree. The last part of this question is 3 by 5 of 100 degree. 3 by 5 of 100 degree is equals to 60 degree. The supplement of 60 degree is 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is equals to 120 degree. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.